Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices, charge the Solo 3 and power it on. Once done, enable Bluetooth on the laptop and keep the Bluetooth settings pane open so you can watch for new devices. Now put the headphones into pairing mode by holding the power button until the LED flashes. This tells both devices they can find each other. Make sure you stay close. Range matters. This step creates the initial discoverable connection the laptop needs to see the beats. You now tell the laptop to look and connect. Click Add Device or the plus sign, then choose Bluetooth. Watch the list and select Beats Solo 3 when it appears. That selection initiates the handshake. If a prompt appears, accept it. There's usually no PIN required. Once paired, make sure the laptop shows the headphones as connected for audio. If sound routes elsewhere, open Sound Output Settings and choose Beats as the default output, so audio actually plays through the Solo 3. You're almost done. Set Beats Solo 3 as the default playback device, then play audio to verify clarity and volume. Make sure system volume and app volumes aren't muted and adjust levels on both devices. If audio drops or the laptop won't connect, first toggle Bluetooth off and on, then remove the Beats from the paired list and repair. That reset resolves most issues. As a single troubleshooting tip, if repairing fails, reboot the laptop. Many driver or stack glitches clear with a restart.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.